So let's see how we can add purchase entry here. So just go to purchases, purchase voucher. From here, we need to click on new button. Okay. So you will get a purchase create page. So we can add items to the purchase. For example, I can search the item by clicking F5 on the screen. From here, F5 search button, or you can use shortcut key F5. Or if you have the barcode, just scan the barcode from here. Okay, so I will add two items. For example, this one, all four items. Okay, so if I want to remove this one, I click on this and just click on remove. It will be removed. So I will add the quantity, for example, this one 10, 10, 10. All three items with 10 quantity, and the cost. For example, if the cost is changed, the cost means purchasing price. Okay, if it is changed, for example, if I am buying for now, it's 55. $5 increase it, then I will enter 55 here. Then I will keep others same. So you can see this, the total $2,990. So we can select the vendor. Vendor means supplier. If you have already in the system, you can just search and select it. If you don't have in the system, it's a new supplier, then just click on this plus button. Then you can add the vendor. From here, you can add the vendor name. For example, I will create one more vendor or the supplier. The name is mandatory. Other things like address, contact information, even financial information like opening balance and other things are optional. If you want, you can fill out and save. Okay, I'm just clicking on save vendor. It's saved already and selected. Okay, so if I come to search from here, you can see Lenovo and Dell already available. I will select Lenovo, and if you want, you can change the purchase date if it is previous date purchase invoices. Okay, I will click on save. So it's already saved. You can see the save voucher number 1003 and date and the vendor or the supplier and the total quantity it's 30 and what's the subtotal, what's tax, what's the total. Okay, if you want to view it, click on view. You will view again the same voucher. Just go back and go to merchandise and inventories. You will find the on-hand quantity here for all the items. Okay, so keyboard and mouse, if I click on history, you will find all the history. What is the beginning quantity? What is the movement of this item's quantity? So we have three purchase vouchers. The first is 10 and the second is 10 and the third is 10. So we have on hand quantity is 30. Okay, that's it.